Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. The Friedel-Crafts acylation is the reaction of an arene with acyl chloride or anhydride using a strong Lewis acid catalyst like aluminum chloride and ferric chloride. This reaction proceeds via electrophilic aromatic substitution to form monoacylated product. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, acylating agent like acetyl chloride reacts with benzene in the presence of Lewis acid catalysts like AlCl3 to form acetophenone and hydrochloric acid. In this reaction, hydrochloric acid is a byproduct. In first step, the acyl halide reacts with the Lewis acid aluminum chloride to form a complex. The name of the complex is acylium ion. In this reaction, acylium ion is act as an electrophile. In next step, the p electron of the aromatic carbon-carbon double bond act as a nucleophile and attacking the electrophile acylium ion. This type destroy the aromaticity, giving the cyclohexadienyl cation intermediate. Then in next step, removal of the proton from the carbon bearing the acyl group reforms the carbon-carbon double bond and the aromatic system and generating hydrochloric acid and regenerating the active catalyst aluminum chloride. Limitations of Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acylation can only be used to give ketones. This is because methanol chloride decomposes to give carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride under the reaction condition. Deactivated benzenes are not reactive to Friedel-Crafts conditions. The benzene needs to be as or more reactive than a monohalobenzene. The Lewis acid catalyst like AlCl3 often complexes to aryl amines, making them very unreactive. Amines and alcohol can give competing nitrogen and oxygen acylation rather than the requiring acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation refers to the replacement of an aromatic proton with an alkyl group. This is done through an electrophilic attack on the aromatic ring with the help of a carbocation. This reaction is a method of generating alkyl benzenes by using alkyl halide as reactant. In this reaction, alkyl halides attack on benzene in the presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3 and it gives alkyl benzene. Mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The Lewis acid catalyst like aluminum chloride undergoes reactions with alkyl halide, resulting in the formation of an electrophilic carbocation. In second step, the carbocation proceeds to attack the aromatic ring, forming a cyclohexadienyl cation as an intermediate. The aromaticity of the arene is temporarily lost due to the breakage of carbon-carbon double bond. The deprotonation of the intermediate leads to the reformation of the carbon-carbon double bond, restoring aromaticity to the compound. This proton goes on to form hydrochloric acid, regenerating the aluminum chloride catalyst. There are some limitations for Friedel-Crafts alkylation which are listed below. First, since the carbocation formed by aryl and vinyl halide are extremely unstable, they cannot be used in the reactions. The presence of deactivating group on the aromatic ring like NH2 group can lead to the deactivation of the catalyst due to the formation of complexes. Aromatic compounds that are less reactive than monohalobenzenes do not participate in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and an excess of aromatic compound must be used in these reactions in order to avoid polyalkylation, addition of more than one alkyl group to the aromatic compound.